All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you actually how to set up a Wi-Fi in your Tesla to ensure you're always ready for those important software updates. So first things first, guys, you want to access the Wi-Fi settings, guys. Make sure first you are in park. You need to do this in a park, right? Go to the Wi-Fi icon on the top corner of your touchscreen, and if the Wi-Fi is off, just have to turn it on, or you can click on the controls and then click on Wi-Fi, right? So then what you need to do, guys, is to connect to a network. So your Tesla will then start searching for available networks. You just want to choose your preferred Wi-Fi network from the list, and if necessary, you just need to input the password, guys, okay? Just put the password in if it's necessary and then press confirm. And then, guys, what's going to happen is you need to click connect, and after you do that, you should actually enable auto connect to make sure that your Tesla actually connects automatically next time. So just select auto connect for your chosen Wi-Fi. This way your vehicle will stay updated whenever you're within that range. And then once you confirm connection, okay, you'll see a Wi-Fi icon with a strong signal indicator once you're actually connected. And now, guys, you're basically all set to receive the latest updates smoothly. As long as you are connected to the Wi-Fi or you're close to the Wi-Fi, your Tesla will automatically update, guys. And that's it, guys. Tap the link in the description to discover more ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys. And make sure you subscribe as well.